All the medical communities across the U.S., certainly here in Southeast Georgia, are making sure we're prepared and ready for what may follow following our upcoming holiday for New Year's.
Dr. Stephen Thacker from Memorial Health says they're already seeing increased cases after the Christmas holiday. One thing about Omicron, he says it hits fast.
Probably going to make more individuals sick with COVID-19 in a shorter time frame, but I think less people will have to be hospitalized and less people will need intensive care, and hopefully there'll be less people who have had their lives threatened from this infection. It's probably a combination of things. One, that this Omicron variant is less harmful to us, and there is the benefit of more individuals being vaccinated.
He says if you are vaccinated and boosted, you have up to an 80% chance of staying out of the hospital and not having serious symptoms.
That is important for folks that have not chosen vaccination to recognize. One is that we're seeing people be reinfected now for the third time.
Thacker says even for those who've had COVID, there doesn't seem to be much natural immunity against Omicron. So that's why he still encourages getting vaccinated.
Our community numbers are very high, but the hospitalizations have not really followed at the same pace.
He does worry about the high transmission.
I think many of individuals have started to drift away from some of the public health guidance that we know helps keep you healthy, keep those around you healthy, and keep your community well.
He says masking remains one of the most important things we can all do to stop the spread and suggests using an N95 or K95 if you can. For now, he's not as worried about a hospitalization surge as he was last fall. But as we start another year with COVID, he does acknowledge people are stressed.
And so we know just nationwide, everyone's stress is at just a higher level on average than it was prior to this pandemic.
Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3 on your side.